class, my name is Brittany Teacher. I'm here to do your Wonder Skills lesson with you. We are going to work on pages 96 to 101. And this is for classes 105 and 202. Okay? First, we're going to read a little story together. Then we're going to answer some questions. Before we answer questions together, I want you to pause the video and work on the questions by yourself. Then you can play the video to review the answers with me. Okay, let's start. The Snowman Contest. The class hears the warning siren as Mrs. Kane comes in. A big snowstorm is coming, she says. Everyone must go home now. Carl and Emma run home in the freezing wind. It blows snowflakes onto their faces. Next morning, Carl and Emma see a blanket of snow over everything. Some friends from their street are outside throwing snowballs. As Carl watches, he has an idea. Let's have a snowman contest, he says. We can work in teams. The team with the best snowman wins. Mom can be the judge. Okay, let's try read closer. Why do they have to go home from school early? Underline the answer. You can look for the keywords home, school, and early to help you find the answer. Pause the video, look for the answer, and hit play when you are ready. That's right. A big snowstorm is coming. We know that this is the answer because everyone must go home now. We see the keywords home. We can see that they are in school, so we know that they have to go home early. See, they're waving bye-bye. Okay, read closer again. What are Carl and Emma's friends doing in the street? Circle the words. Well, let's look at the picture and find the keyword street. Some friends from their street are outside throwing snowballs. Let's circle throwing snowballs. Next page. They work in teams and build the snowmen. They all look great. As Mom comes outside, the snowplow arrives to clear the street. It scoops up a big pile of snow. Scoop is like this. See? Scooping up a big pile of snow. Emma shouts to the driver, but he doesn't hear her. Snow drops all over the snowmen. Oh no! Our snowmen are gone, says Carl. Well, I have a prize for everyone, says Mom. How about a nice cup of hot chocolate? Read closer. What does the snowplow scoop up? Circle the answer. We can find the keyword scoop, and we will easily find our answer. We see the word scoops, up, a big pile of snow. Let's circle a big pile of snow in our books. You see the picture? Okay, good. Now let's answer some questions. I want you to do A, B, and C by yourself now. Pause the video, and when you're ready to check the answers, hit play and we will check together. Are you ready? Okay, let's check. Choose the correct answers. Number 1, A. The story is about A or B, how a big snowstorm arrives in town, or B, how a snowman contest goes wrong. That's right. The answer is B. How do we know? It's about how a snowman contest goes wrong. The snowman contest is the name of the story. So it's true that a snowstorm comes, but the most important part of this story is the snowman contest. So we should choose B. Number 2, what do Emma and Carl's friends throw? Snowmen, snowflakes, or snowballs? We circled the answer already. Throwing snowballs. So we should say answer. That's right, C. Number 2 is C. Number 3, why aren't Carl and Emma at school? We already circled the answer. There is a big snowstorm. They have a snowman contest. They want to have hot chocolate. We can check our story if you don't remember. Remember, they left school because a big snowstorm is coming. So we can choose the answer, A. There is a big snowstorm. Number 3 is A. Number 4, why can't Mom judge the contest? A, she has to make the prize for the contest. B, the friends throw snowballs at the snowman. C, the snow plow driver drops snow over the snowman. The snow plow driver drops snow over the snowman. Let's check. We can look for the keywords mom, judge, contest. As Mom comes outside, the snowplow arrives to clear the street. It scoops up a big pile of snow. Snow drops all over the snowman. Oh no, our snowmen are gone. So what's the answer? C. Number 4 is C. Let's keep going. B, read and circle. The warning siren or sign tells everyone a big snowstorm is coming. Let's check our story. Do you see anything about the warning siren or the warning sign? The class hears the warning siren as Miss Kane comes in. So we should circle siren for B. Number 2, the snowplow driver blows or scoops up a big pile of snow. Remember, we found this already. It scoops up a big pile of snow. We should circle scoops up. Okay? Let's work on C now. Write true or false. It is Carl's idea to have a snowman contest. Let's find out. Where do we learn about the snowman contest? Here. As Carl watches, he has an idea. Let's have a snowman contest, he says. He, Carl. So it's true. Carl comes up with the idea for the snowman contest. So number 1, we can write true. Number 2, Mom shouts at the snowplow driver. Is it true? Who shouts at the snowplow driver? That's right, Emma shouts to the driver, but he doesn't hear her. So the answer for number 2 is false. Okay? Now, I want you to answer the questions on page 100 by yourself. Pause the video, and when you're ready, we will review the answers together. Are you ready? Let's check. Questions on page 100. Now we're going to talk about sequence. The sequence tells the order of what happens in a story. We need to say what happens first, second, third. Okay? Let's look at our options. Reread the text and look at the picture. Number what happens in order. First, a big snowstorm is coming, says Mrs. Kane. The class hears the warning siren. Now let's check. Which happens first? Oh, first, the class hears the warning siren as Mrs. Kane comes in. So we should say, number 1, the class hears the warning siren. Number 2, a big snowstorm is coming, says Mrs. Kane. 1, 2. Now let's check over here. Your turn. Reread the text and look at the pictures. Number what happens in order. Let's look at the options. Let's have a snowman contest, says Carl. The snowplow drops snow all over the snowman. Carl and Emma run home. Carl and Emma see some friends throwing snowballs. Do you remember which one happens first? That's right, this picture. Carl and Emma run home. So for your turn on page 100, number 1 is here. Carl and Emma run home. What happens next? This picture. That's right. Carl and Emma see some friends throwing snowballs. So number 2 should be here. What about this picture? That's right. Let's have a snowman contest, says Carl. That means this one is number 3, which means last, number 4, is this picture. The snowplow drops snow all over the snowman. So this is what yours should look like. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Go ahead and answer the questions on page 101 by yourself. Do the summary, complete the story with words from the box, and vocabulary review. When you're finished, pause the video now, and when you're finished, hit play again to review the answers. Okay, are you ready? Let's check. Summary. Complete the summary with the words from the box. I'm going to read the summary, and you check your answers. There is a snowstorm, and it is freezing outside. Carl, Emma, and their friends go home early. The next day, Carl wants to have a snowman contest. He wants his mom to be the judge. The friends build snowmen, but a snowplow comes. It scoops up snow and drops it on the snowmen. The children are sad, but Mom makes them hot chocolate as a prize. Okay, now let's try vocabulary review. I'm going to read, and you can check your answers. Number 1. The siren or judge at the science fair chooses the winner. That's right. Number 1 is judge. I hope you circled judge. Number 2, the wind freezes or blows hard on a windy day. That's right. Blows. Number 3, fire trucks have sirens or judges to tell people to move out of the way. That's right. Sirens. Number 4, I try to catch snowflakes or sirens when it snows, but they melt fast. Number 4 is snowflakes. Number 5, it is scooping or freezing outside. Remember to bring a sweater. That's right, freezing. Freezing means really, really cold. Okay, number 6, the little boy is blowing or scooping sand into his bucket. That's right. Number 6 is scooping. Okay, here are your answers one more time from your Wonder Skills lesson. And now our lesson is finished. Good job. Thank you for listening and watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.